Let's see how to save battery on iPad 10th generation. In the first step, open Settings, then go to Display and Brightness. Now adjust the brightness to a lower level. In the next step, open Settings. After that, tap General. Now select Background App Refresh. Later, switch it off. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select Accessibility. After that, tap Motion. Later, turn on Reduce Motion. In the next step, open Settings. Now select Display and Brightness. Later, tap Auto Lock. Later, pick a shorter duration. In the next step, open Settings. Next, tap Bluetooth. Later, switch it off if not in use. You are good to go.